Hi and welcome to AP Calculus. My name is Ms. Sorty and I'll be your instructor for this Gifted Learning Links online course. This intro video is designed just to help you get a sense of what the class is about, how it works, and how you get started. So first we'll talk about what is AP Calculus. Well, calculus is the study of functions. You saw functions earlier in your math career in Algebra 2 and pre-calculus. But in calculus we go much deeper. We'll look at many types of functions. So where earlier you probably studied linear functions, lines, and polynomial functions like parabolas quite a bit. Now we'll look at a wider range of functions. We'll look at how to find rates of change or slope of those functions and look at very different applications than what you've seen previously. People use calculus in a variety of ways, most commonly in technology, science, business, and in the medical field. A lot of the underpinnings for formulas and technology are built on the foundation of calculus, so it helps to have a good understanding of what's going on. The AP part of AP Calculus stands for Advanced Placement, and AP exams are given every May by the College Board. The calculus exam tests calculation skills, concepts and theorems, as well as problem-solving skills. So we'll cover a variety of types of questions in the course to help you prepare for that AP exam. Now, AP exams can give college credit or may help you test out of introductory courses. But most importantly, taking AP courses shows colleges that you're ready for more advanced work. So let's talk about how this online class works. The class is divided into 6 modules, which are like units of study. So for each module, there'll be several sections from the textbook. You'll view video clips online. These are typically 5 to 10 minutes long, so that you can focus on learning one technique or one concept at a time. Then you'll complete homework assignments at home. This is like your traditional math homework that you might have in a normal face-to-face class. These are all odd problems, so you can check your answers in the back of the book. However, of course, everyone has questions from time to time. You'll post those questions online on message forums, and you'll help answer each other's questions, as well as ask good questions that I can answer as an instructor. After several sections, you'll complete a chapter lab at home. This is kind of a more intense assignment that pulls together several sections of material. It'll also focus on some of the skills you'll need for the AP exam. So typically each lab will have a calculator question that either walks you through a skill or has you see something new on the calculator. It'll have usually a data question because data problems often show up on the AP exam, as well as more specific questions to that module. Then you'll upload that lab online to Blackboard, and I'll grade it online and give you some feedback on your lab. Finally, at the end of each module, you'll take a test locally with a proctor. So typically this is someone at your school that will agree to proctor the exam, or another adult in your community. So let's get started. When you log into Blackboard for the first time, you're already there. You want to complete all the tasks under Welcome New Students. So key thing is order your textbook early on, so hopefully immediately, because that typically can take up to a week or so to arrive. After you read all of that information, such as the syllabus, and do some of those other tasks that you have to do for the first week, I really suggest that students make a schedule. One of the most challenging and flexible things about an online course is that you can log in anytime, anywhere to participate in the course. So really think about your weekly schedule or your month and think about where you can fit in this course. Okay, for some students that might be 2 days a week. For others that might be every weekend, or during breaks you plan to do more. But think about your situation and when it's going to work best for you. Okay, if you can build it into your week, then you'll probably have more success staying to a schedule. There are timelines built for every starting month, so download the correct timeline for your starting month so you can see what should be turned in during each week. And finally, once you finish those tasks, you can go ahead and start Module 1. Okay, if some of those tasks take longer to complete, you might want to start previewing Module 1 so you can see where you'll be starting once your textbook arrives and you've completed those other things. So again, welcome to the class. I look forward to working with you, and please feel free to email or message me with any questions you have. I'm happy to help.